Hello, hello, hello! Hello everyone! In this video we're going to take a look at the Harman Kardon Luna speaker. The Harman Kardon Luna features a buffer with 25 watts RMS power along with a 20mm tweeter with 15 watts RMS power. Also, it operates within a frequency range of 60 to 20,000 Hz. If you're not sure what RMS means in terms of sound power, I'll link a video above where I explain it quickly. It includes a lithium battery with a capacity of 4,800 mAh, which gives us an estimated continuous usage of about 12 hours, as long as we use the speaker at medium volume. As always, if we push it a bit harder and use it at full volume, the battery life is shortened to about half the time. Also, it takes approximately 2.5 hours to fully charge the speaker. This time, the Bluetooth is already version 5.3, so we have better battery optimization, lower latency, and longer range than in previous versions. However, when it comes to playing music, we can only do so wirelessly through Bluetooth, as it does not offer the ability to connect any device via cable, memory card, or USB. It comes with an IP67 protection grade, which means besides being completely resistant to dust and splashes, we can also submerge it up to a maximum of 1 meter for half an hour. Lastly, it is available in 2 different colors, black and white, and we will find it at an approximate price of around €150. Below, as always, I leave a direct link in case you want to snag one. And now guys, having reviewed the features, let's move on to the unboxing. Alright guys, so regarding what's in the box, we start with the speaker itself, which, as always, we're going to set aside to look at in detail later. We continue with the accessories, which in this case includes a velvet carry bag, in which we can carry our Harman Kardon Luna. And we finish up with 2 very basic things. On one hand we have the instructions, where we find the warranty and quick start guide. And lastly we have the charging cable, which in this case has a USB-C end for powering the speaker and charging its battery. On the other end it's a regular USB, which we can connect either to a power adapter to plug it into the mains, or to the USB port of any PC. Well then guys, now that we've seen the unboxing, let's move on to the really interesting part, which is to look at the speaker in detail. The speaker weighs 690 grams, and in terms of measurements, it's 7.5 centimeters high, 20 centimeters wide, and another 7.5 centimeters deep. On both the front and on the back, as you can see, the speaker is fully covered with a protective fabric that's quite pleasant to the touch and protects the internal speaker. On the front, as you can see, we only have the Harman Kardon brand plate embedded. On the other hand, on the back, we find the speaker's only connector, the USB-C charging port. At the bottom, we'll find this rubber band surrounding the entire base that will support the speaker and prevent it from moving or falling while it plays. And finally, at the top, we find the controls, which in this case are physical, not touch. From left to right, we find the on-off button, the volume down button, the play and pause button, the volume up button, and the Bluetooth pairing button. At the moment in which we want to make the connection of the speaker with our mobile phone, well, the process is very simple. The first thing we have to do, of course, is turn on the speaker, keeping the power button. Once we have the speaker turned on, we will press the Bluetooth pairing button once. As you can see, the speaker emits a sound and the blue LED appears blinking. At this moment we can go to the mobile phone, activate the Bluetooth, and we will see how quickly the Harman Kardon Luna finds us. The only thing we have to do is click on the device, and as you can see, it is quickly connected and totally ready to use. Now, before finishing, we are going to do a small sound test with the speaker. As I always say, for you it will not be the same to listen to the speaker live as I am right now than to listen to it through a video. But at least you get an idea of the quality it has. As we always do, we are going to start with the volume at 50%, and approximately halfway through the song, we will raise it to 100%. So we begin.
flying all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
In summary, the Luna is a high-quality speaker. As you saw, the sound quality is amazing for its size, and it exceeds expectations even in a large enclosed space, and also performs well in open spaces. The bass is really good, and despite max volume, there was almost no distortion, along with perfectly balanced mid-range and treble tones. I have to say it was a fantastic audio experience. On a bright note, Bluetooth 5.3 is featured, which improves range, latency, and battery life. As a suggestion for improvement, I wish they included more playback modes, so we don't always have to depend on Bluetooth, be it cable, USB, or microSD. Well guys, that concludes the review of the Harman Kardon Luna wireless speaker. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a good like. It means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get updated. That's it from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.